Okay, so we are here in the middle of the outer bands of Hurricane Michael. Still, I believe, a Category 2 hurricane coming into South Georgia. It is not that strong here, but we're going to go out and fly because just to prove that we flew airplanes in a hurricane. I know. Lots of... Okay, point it back this way. Point it this way. This way. There you go. All right, throw it good and hard. Nose up. I don't know if you guys can even see that, but yes, rubber band powered airplane actually flying.
There you go. Yeah. I don't even know where it is.
Oh, we're drenched. We're drenched, so are the planes. Those are dripping down there. I couldn't get the Carbonette to power up in the rain. But the Epi, oh, that was pretty cool. Thoughts?
He's crazy.
I know. That's why you married me. See y'all.